Hello, Scott Rosano with Gigbuilder.com. And this is lesson number 301 and more of the essentials. This is how you're going to be setting up and using the free web server that comes with your Gigbuilder Gold package. So if you don't know that already, you get free hosting and quite a bit more that's also on top of your Gigbuilder. To get to that, we'll go to Tools, and then we'll go to Web Tools and Setup. And then from within the Web Tools and Setup, we'll scroll all the way down to where it says Hosting Control Panel. Click on this. If you have not created a web server with us, the system will go ahead and, well, it's going to check first. And it's going to determine, here's my username, here's my password hint. That's what I'm currently using to get into Gigbuilder. It shows that I'm not set up to anything. And that's the admin email inside Gigbuilder. So some of this information will go over here when we create it. Now, for creating your web server on our side, all you have to do is put in the domain name of your website. That's it. You can put in a different login name or password, but it will use your username. So I could put in here clearwaterdj.com, which is the website that I have. I would go ahead then and create web server. And when I do so, it's going to build up everything for me, and then it's going to show up on a different panel. It looks something like this. This is from a different account, but it already exists. It'll come back up again with your username, your password, your hosting domain, the email, whether it's active or not, hosting package, tells you how to get to your control panel, your webmail, another way to get to your control panel, which is where we're going to go, and then this is most important down here, your name servers 1 and 2. This is what you're going to have to do on your side. I'll put some instructions up here. Number 1, you're going to log into whoever you bought your domain from. Might have been GoDaddy. If you got it from us, it's through enom.com. There's quite a few things. You can look around on the internet saying who hosts my domain. You can type that in Google and type it in, find out, get in there. Once you log in, this is where you bought it in the first place. It's going to ask where the name servers are because your domain name needs to be sent somewhere. And it has usually 1 to 4 servers. You'll put ns1.wdj hosting common 1, ns2 on another, go ahead and hit save, and within about an hour, if you go ahead and type your domain name, it will come to here and you will see a default website page on there. So that's what you've got to do on that end. You can look that up. Once this is done, if we click here to open, you're going to get your web control panel after logging in that looks something like this. And again, this is included with every Gigbuilder Gold. There's a lot of things that you can do in here. We have videos down, if you look on our channel at the very bottom, that go into detail on how the CWP control panel works. But I'm going to go over some very simple basics right now. And that's mainly email, how to create an email account. It's very quick, very easy. Go to email accounts, click on that. Wait for the screen to reload with that information. Sometimes it's a little slow. We've got our accounts management here, and all you'll simply do is add a new mailbox, and they'll just be added down along here, and you can work along with that. This has got your settings, and again, we've got lots of videos. But most people will be setting up email, and then they'll want to put up a website. Now, if you have your own website, there's a number of different ways to get it in here, including some standard FTPs and things like that. Or you can create your own. And we have our script installers here. Now, one of those is SitePad, which is what I like. And we actually pay for that for you. SitePad is very simple to use. I'm going to show that to you in the next video. It's literally pushing a few buttons like this. You also have a number of scripts that are within your hosting control panel that you can use to generate a website or add to it. And we call those, again, with add-ons, and we can go to script installers. You go to Softalicious, or you go to straight with the scripts here, which are the basic stuff. So on these basic scripts, you click this up on here, and these are some of the things that you can actually install by clicking a button right onto your existing website. So there's a number of ways that you get in there. All you have to do is fill your domain name in. We take care of the rest. You make the changes over on your web host, and then you've got yourself a full-blown website with MySQL databases, anything you could possibly need to run your business. And again, that's with WeDJ.com and Gigbuilder free of charge. So go ahead, play a little bit with that, and when you're done, come back to the next video because we're going to go ahead and show you how to set up a website within minutes on your cPanel that's built in free with Gigbuilder and have a website going before the end of the day. So have some fun. When you're ready, come back for the next video.